Hello, my name is Mauri, and I'm a sales technician at Metronic in Spain. For the past 10 years, we've been the official distributor for Siegmund in our country. Over the past 2 days, we've been visiting Siegmund's facilities in Germany to explore new products, new systems, and most importantly, to provide training for the distributors who work with us in Spain. The first day has been fantastic. The distributors were really impressed by what they saw. They were surprised by the scale and organization of the company. They're discovering new things and gaining fresh ideas for future projects. On behalf of Metronic, we'd like to thank Siegmund for the invitation and the opportunity to spend a couple of days here to share knowledge and keep learning. And what do we hope for? That in the future, all of this leads to more sales, better service for our customers, and hopefully, the chance to repeat this experience again someday.